All right, have you ever heard a person say, I don't need to go to the chiropractor. I don't have any pain. I certainly have heard it a few times. So why would a person without any physical pain why would they like to or need to go see a chiropractor, right? Start with the major premise. Brain controls your body, controls all the organs, all the muscles, all the tissue in the body. I always say there's no Wi-Fi. We're not wireless. So that brain communicates down the spinal cord, in the spine, and out those nerve roots, organs, muscles, tissues, and cells, right? So when we talk about pain, we're talking about a nerve fiber. We're talking 10 to 15% of that nerve fiber is for the detection of pain, right? Most of that is function, both voluntary and autonomic or automatic. So perhaps that spine, you're a computer sniffer, sniff computers 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 hours a day, right? Your shoulders are rounded forward, your pecs are tight, your neck is elongated and forward. You know, every inch forward is an extra 10 pounds of stress. So prematurely we're wearing this spine out, we're tugging on these nerves, but we don't have any pain. But sometimes, we wake up and our hand is asleep. Perhaps we noticed over the last 5-10 years, our metabolism is really getting sluggish because our thyroid is shutting down. Maybe because your head is cocked up like this, you're crushing the nerves that are going to sinus and glands of your face. So you might get recurring sinus infections, or maybe you have allergies and sinus issues consistently. Maybe it started out just one spring and then, maybe it was a spring and fall. And now pretty much you're like, taking the medications, you're having sinus symptoms and allergy symptoms all year long, right? And so what a good chiropractor would do is do a thorough exam. What are some things that you feel like your health is not optimal in? Maybe it's sleep, maybe it's energy, maybe it's focus, right? Maybe it's metabolism. Maybe you just, no matter 8 days a week of training, you still can't lose that extra 10 pounds of belly fat. What is it, right? Well, the brain and nervous system control all the function. And if we add stress to that system from a spine that's in a bad position or stuck, that stress to that system is not going to allow that system to work properly. So we would take some exams. We do range of motion of all the motions of the body. We'd palpate the spine and see segmentally each of these bones, is there a range of motion at each level? And then we take some x-rays. Is the spine in the normal position? Is the head over the shoulders? Is there a normal curve in the neck, in the upper back, in the lower back? Is the pelvis level? Is the spine straight? And then we can even see with motion x-rays, is the spine moving properly? So maybe you don't have pain in your low back yet, but one side it actually moves and the other side it's totally locked up, right? It's like driving your car out of alignment. It doesn't necessarily hurt, but if you do that for long enough, it's gonna break down faster, right? So we all know that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. And so through that exam process, we can see those areas that maybe are not working as well as they should. Maybe it's going to different parts of your body that are maybe working suboptimally. Maybe they're not in crisis mode yet, but suboptimally, maybe for days, weeks, months, years. And we can find that before that becomes that crisis and start to correct it, take the stress off of there. We can show you some better ways to eat, better ways to move, better ways to think. And you as a human is gonna work better, right? And that's really my goal as a chiropractor, is to take a person where they're at in life. And then in a year from now, we can see that human is better. Maybe they lost weight, maybe they gained weight. Maybe they reduced their need for a certain type of medication. Maybe they're getting less colds, less frequent colds, less allergy symptoms, better sound sleep, right? More focus during the day. That's the ultimate goal for me, is for you to achieve your goals without medication and without surgery. Again, I'm Dr. Joe Utash. We'd love to see if we can help you reach your goals by looking for damage in the spine and stress in the nervous system that could be keeping you from living optimally.
Hey guys, Dr. Utash here, Wellness Key Chiropractic. This Mindful Monday is this week, every day this week, 7 full days, drink a smoothie every day. 32 ounces, either replace a meal, ideally, or you can do that as a snack instead of reaching for the chips or some junk food. But a typical smoothie in the Utash household is gonna be a greens of some sort, coconut milk, a whole avocado, frozen berries, protein powder, and water to add for your desired consistency. So we blend that all up, and we usually make 64 ounces, but 32 ounces of smoothie, meal replacement, you're getting tons of fiber, tons of nutrients. I prefer to do it right away in the morning, and it's a great way to kind of jumpstart your day. So Mindful Monday, drink a smoothie every day this week.
Hey, While you're on your phone, could you do me a big favor and save Wellness Key to one of your contacts? 520-797-6683. We've noticed a lot of people calling us from Google or from other sources. The easiest and most convenient way to do it, save our contact if you haven't already done so. Wellness Key Chiropractic, Wellness Key Chiro, #1 backcracker, you name it, put it in your phone, 520-797-6683. Just as soon.
Alrighty, I'll be showing you today how to do your wobble exercises. So with the wobble exercises, think about it like brushing your teeth. You brush in the morning, you brush at night. As that is your oral hygiene, this is going to be your spinal hygiene. So spinal hygiene, we're breaking up the scar tissue and also rehydrating those discs. So when you do these exercises, go up to the point of discomfort, don't go into that pain, okay? So we'll start off with the first one, side to side. So you go ear down to your shoulder, and then hip up, kind of like you're forming a letter C. I'll go ahead and go back to the other side. So nice and easy. All together, it ends up looking something just like this. The next one, you'll go chin down your chest, roll your shoulders forward, tuck that tailbone in, look up to the ceiling as high as you can, arch your back and pinch your shoulder blades. All together, it ends up looking something just like this. The next one, your hips are going to be stationary, they don't move at all. Arms up shoulder height, and then twist. When you twist, make sure your head does follow. Try to find a point behind you, look at right behind you. So those are the 3 exercises that we will ask for you guys to do twice a day at home, okay? So remember, it's like brushing your teeth, but it's for your spine.
Hey guys, Dr. Utash here. We've been talking about sleep, and you're probably wondering what these awesome looking things are. These are my blue blocker glasses. As I was doing research on how to sleep better, not only for myself, but for patients years ago, came across the idea of blocking the blue light, sometimes even hours before bed. And so this is part of my personal nighttime routine, is grabbing my blue blocker glasses and sometimes even before dinner, putting them on, and I really notice the effect before I go to bed. I'm much sleepier and I end up falling asleep quicker. So blue blocker glasses, you can get them on Amazon. I think these were $8. They're super stylish, right? But blue blocker glasses are what you need. Block the blue light, go to sleep faster, sleep better. Dr. Utash, Wellness Key Chiropractic. It is that season again. We just got done with Halloween. Perhaps in your household there's more candy and sugar than there should be. But this week we're having our Healthy Holidays workshop, Tuesday, 6:15. Dr. B and I are going to be going over really what causes the excess weight gain, some strategies that we can do to make sure we don't gain weight, we don't get sick, we don't get overstressed and overspend. So join us Tuesday, 6:15 here in the office. We'll have some snacks for the people who have signed up to come to the workshop. As a reminder this week, and as a reminder in general this season, this is the stress season. This is the holidays. This is when, we are typically off of our normal routines, going to parties, perhaps drinking more alcohol, certainly eating more foods that contain more sugar. Our immune system is stressed to the max. So this is when you want to get in and really maintain your schedule. So as a reminder, talk to Cherie, text her, call her, email her. Hey, I really want to stay on my schedule this week, this month, this season, until the end of the year. And ultimately, I want to stay healthy, where maybe normally some people might get sick, or maybe your household has some sick kids, or someone gets sick every single year during the holidays. Let's prevent that by staying with a rhythm and with a schedule. So make sure you have your regular appointments. As you come in, of course, we'll be expecting you. Don't forget your beautiful key tag, right? With that key tag, after you use the restroom, go ahead and sign in. Boom, that'll get you ready to go back. Once your name is called from the announcer, we're gonna come back here. If there's a couple of people ahead of you, don't be afraid to do your wobble exercises. It'll call you back to table 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Let's assume you're on table 2. These 4 computers all have the scanners, so make sure you click on scan in, and then boop, you'll hear the beep. Once you hear the beep, that means that you're going to be pulled up, and then just go ahead and go face down on the table, totally relax. That's how you're going to get the best adjustment possible, especially after a tough day.
Get a little me time. After the adjustment, please rip off that paper. If you're wearing sandals, you'll use it for the rehab. If not, go ahead and toss it so we can clean it for the next person. And then do not forget to do your rehab. Remember, we want to remove the interference, adjust the spine, take the stress off the central nervous system, and then we want to hold it there, right? So we got to retrain that brain to strengthen and stabilize and hold that new position, that new posture, so that we don't just go back into our cars and it goes back to where it was at. So really important, immediately after the adjustment, get over here in the rehab, and you'll see we'll make another video this week about some things that you can be doing on the rehab. So obviously, at a bare minimum, we should be here, tight tummy, our extensors are engaged, chest is up, chin just slightly above level. You can see that palm tree out that way, or you can look at the beautiful mountains. And so we're gonna hold this at least for 5 minutes. I recommend doing some exercises, which you'll see in a future video. So can't wait to adjust you this week. We'll see you soon. All right, name that exercise. If you're like me, we had to do these all the time growing up in sports. They're called karaokes. They're super important, and in fact, most people are not getting enough lateral motion with their body. We do a lot of running, we might do jogging, we might do bike riding, we might sit at a desk. All of this is frontal plane instead of sagittal plane. So this week's exercise of the week is the good old-fashioned karaoke. Hey guys, most important thing we do here, obviously, is the adjustment. Remove the interference, allow that body to heal itself. Second most important thing we do here in the office is, of course, education. That's why we have the workshops nearly every month on how to really optimize your well-being, your health naturally. The third most important thing that we do here is rehab. So right after the adjustment, coming on over here, and with very few exceptions, hopping on this vibe plate. We'll start, of course, with just standing, tight tummy, tight glutes, chest up, activate the core, shoulders back, the wings or scapula are also back, chin is slightly elevated, and eyes are looking just a little bit above the horizon. We'll start for 5 minutes. Once we have our balance, we'll be able to do 5 minutes with no hands. And obviously you can see that my thumbs are rotated into extension. Once that becomes easy, I don't want you to plateau. We got to keep moving this thing forward. And so I'm going to encourage you to do some one-legged stands. And so that may, again, put one of your feet in the middle of the vibe. The thigh is going to be parallel to the ground. Tight tummy, squeezing the glutes, chest up, shoulders back. And we're going to go, again, a minute on each leg with your hands on the wall. Once this becomes easy, now we can switch to maybe doing just 2 fingers. And again, perfect posture is super important because we're trying to retrain the brain to hold the body where it should be. This is a great exercise after the adjustment for stability of the ankle, the knee, the hip, the pelvis, and obviously the spine. Once this becomes easy, we'll be able to do it with 1 finger and eventually with no hands whatsoever. Once we have this mastered, some of you like a good challenge. So I'll encourage you to grab the weighted ball over here and attempt to do it with 1 leg. And then now we can start doing some motion while the vibe's on, maybe to the side, maybe up, and maybe in front of you. All of this is really working on activating and stabilizing your posture, your spine, and all the joints along there. So again, keep it moving, 1-legged stands. Once we get once that becomes easy, we can increase the challenge. Next thing, I may tell you to do power pose. So grabbing a band, green's a little more resistant. There's also red bands over here. Stepping on it right in the center, and then going up, and try to keep your hands parallel or parallel with each other and right at about ear level. And so not going forward, not an extension, but straight up in the air, and you'll feel it. Tummy's tight, shoulders are activated, just a slight bend in your elbows, and holding that for 1 minute. Something that you can do in that 5 minutes staying on the vibe. A great exercise for people who are sitting for too long. hands and thumbs rotated back, chest up, arch the low back, your bottom, your rear is on the vibe, your feet are in front of you, and your chin is up. We're gonna do this for 1 to 3 minutes. Once that becomes easy, now we can even work on stabilization. So now we're sitting on just our butt bones, tummy is tight, and we're looking straight ahead. Once that becomes easy, we can start reaching above. And so now we're activating the core. It's keeping us from being wobbly. So we're not kind of moving all over the place. We're keeping this nice and tight and reaching for the ceiling. 3 sets of 10 are a great number to shoot for that. If you have questions with rehab, please grab one of us. I want to make sure that we're continually progressing with your care here at the office. Can't wait to adjust you this week.